Hi guys, this is Jazz, aka Trend Trader for you. I just put my baby to sleep, and I'm just gonna go over a few of the setups that I called out today. The reason why I'm making this the video about the wrap up today is because I had few stop outs, and I wanted to go over those rather than going over the winners, which I usually do. So let's talk about the stop outs. First of all, let's look at the SPY. SPY opened up at a fairly high range and made a high 204.83, and all the way from the top it's been just basically coming all the way down. And let's see what kind of candle it'll form at the end of the day. So let's look at the smaller picture of it, and smaller picture is telling us that it opened here. It's all the way down, putting in lower highs and lower lows. Beautiful downtrend. So you could short from, so basically from beginning of the day, uh, from the get-go, is telling you that we've been in a downtrend, right, in an intraday downtrend, and which gives you a somewhat of a perspective trend based on all the stocks that you're trading, either longs, either they're shorts. But the what's gonna work better is the shorts. The reason why, because the S&P 5 S&P 500 is on a downtrend intraday. So it's best to look for stocks that are being in a downtrend, because S&PY is going to help them to take them down along with as SPY moves down. So let's look at my first call. I have a bunch of calls, right? But ISIS, I called around long above 51.61. And initially I shouldn't have called this call, just because had doesn't look the way I want it to look, but which is totally fine. I made a call and I stand to it, and I'm gonna talk about it why, and why shouldn't I have called it. So 51.61, it was a long. 51.61 right here, it triggered right here, and 51.18 was the stop right there. So we're talking about somewhat of a 40 cents kind of risk, which is totally fine, and you can position size based on that. So that was the call on that, and it got stopped out right here. So even if you were picked up here, and one of my the followers, he said that we never got a really good entry on it, and I agree with that. But if I called it out, I'm gonna go back and say, you know what, it did go above 51.61. But if you were using stop limit orders, for meaning of for instance, you have to define your limit, and your market price has to be equally the same, so you can actually take out the spread out of there. And it's right now it has a spread of about 2 cents, but it was trading at a spread of about 3 to 4 cents. So I'll still abide by it and say, this was a stop out, so this was a stop out, and the stop was right there, and it easily was stopped out. What I was trying to do, I was trying to look at the gap here, try to go long, and it gave me a little bit of reasoning to go long. And but hey, you know what was the biggest reason here again? Look at this. SPY was downtrend, and I was trying to call a somewhat of a bottom on a downtrending stock, which is probably the hardest thing a trader can do. And most times they get stopped out, and you have seen my calls, and some work, some don't work. This one didn't work, and I am okay with taking it as a hit. And QIHU was the second one. I called long above 73, which was right around here. Call long above 73 with stop below 72.48. And I also put out my first target of 73.35. It gave well above 30 of actually 40 cents on that. So depending on what kind of trader you are, and if you guys know me, I take my profits at 30 cents, and rest I keep my stop here at the same place, or I move it to break even. And I'm not gonna go into exactly which trade I took and why I didn't take, but I called out the trades out there for you guys to either learn from them, or trade them in a simulated account. I never recommend anybody to take a trade in their live account, because hey, you know what, I'm not playing your money, and you're not paying me to play your money. So basically, you watch my trades. If you like them, take them. It's all totally up to you. And again, what happened again? It came down, broke this low, and went downtrend, right? Reason why, going back to again SDY. Look at the chart again, okay? So next trade I called, I actually I took this one, and I talked about, I said watch this NUGT around 11.93. I took a little bit higher, but it worked out pretty good for give about 40 cents, right? With these kind of stocks, again, day trading, you want to take your profits as fast as you can. So called about around this one 11.93. Look for a bounce, I said, and the low of this was actually 11.93. So I just got lucky. As simply as that, I just got lucky, and now it's trading below. I don't know why my candle's not printing here. That's weird. So anyway, so another call that I actually working out beautifully is I called not NUGT, JDST. I called higher the day above right here. I said a long above 25.15 and stop below 24. I believe it was a 65 or 66. Ideally, I would like my stop below this right here. But since it was a big enough of a difference to begin with, you do want to basically position size based on that, or put your stop under here and then position size based on that, or position size based on your stop here, whatever it was mentioned in stock tweets. So it gave a quick nice pop. So guys, winners like this will take your all your small stop loss, right? The ISIS, it'll take that out. If I had a QIHU stop below, it'll take that out in the account. And worst comes to worst, what will happen is you'll end up, breaking even for the day. And believe me or not, if you can break even for the day, end of the day, I will put you in top 5 to 8% of the category. You don't always have to make money. Those days will come, but try to get break even on your trades, or take small losses and move on. Keep taking those trades. So anyways, that's it. And again, the babies are still sleeping, so I'm kind of lucky to play my trades out here. And so I'll end it to here, since I have another teaching session from 3 to 5 today. And I'll talk to you guys later. Take care, guys, and review these, and learn why I call them and why they didn't work out. Okay, especially the ISIS, why didn't it work out? QIHU, why didn't it work out? Okay, all right, guys, take care. And this is Jazz, aka Trend Trader for you, and follow me on Twitter. Please, please, please try to spread my name. If only if you like my setups, please spread my name either on Facebook, either on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel, please. And I'll be coming up with really big things in future. Just right now, my hands are tied and I need some help. So if you are capable enough of technical trader, you can read the chart without looking at the indicators, contact me. And or if your trading works, simply if it works, if you can produce results and call out trades, contact me. I have business, basically. Okay, I mean, I'm looking for people who can help me get to the next level. All right, guys, take care, and see you guys later.